I welcome you all to this session on final accounts of banking companies. In this session, we shall discuss two problems on preparation of final accounts. So far, we had few problems which are expected in section A for 6 marks, mainly for the treatment of rebate on bills discounted, for passing journal entry, or sometimes for calculating rebate and passing journal entries, or sometimes only for calculating rebate when different bills having different maturity dates are given. In this problem, we shall see or discuss about the preparation of statement of profit and loss. First, go through the problem. The following are the beggars extracted from books of modern banks on 31st March 2021. Interest and discount received 3,12,500. Interest paid on deposits 1,62,500. Commission exchange brokerage 60,000. Rent received 10,000. Then profit on sale of investment 5,000. Loss on sale of investment 1,21,250. Salaries and allowance 90,000. Direct fees and allowance 7,500. Rent and taxes paid 6,000. Printing and stationery 3,000. Postage and telegrams 1,250. Other expense 1,000. Audit fee 750. Depreciation banks property 3,750. Balance of profit and loss account as on 1st of April 2020 60,000. And adjustment other information provide rupees 3,750 for doubtful debts, rupees 15,000 for taxation, rebate on bill discounted end of the year, that is on 31st March 2020, annexed for annexed bill 10,000. Provide 10% dividend proposed on paid up capital rupees 2,50,000. Prepare profit and loss account. In fact, it is a profit and loss statement. As you know, it has to be prepared in the form of schedules. Schedule number 13 to 16. In this is 13 and 14 for income and 15 and 16 for expenditure. First, let us go through the schedule. Schedule 13, interest earned. It is only interest earned, that is interest earned by the bank and discount. I have to take like that, interest and discount. Now total given as 3,12,500 and rebate at the end, you know that it has to be deducted. Entry to be required for that is interest and discount are debited to rebate on bills discount 10,000. So it is 3,02,500 net amount. Schedule 14, other income. Whatever income other than interest and discount should be considered here. So commission exchange brokerage 6,000. Profit and loss, profit on sale of investment 5,000. There is a loss. Net amount has to be taken, or 5,000 then minus to take. Then miscellaneous income, that is rent received 10,000. Total 73,750. Then schedule 15, interest expended. See on income side two. One is interest and discount received and other income, and in case of expense side, one is interest expended, interest given by the bank on different types of accounts. Other one, other operating expense other than interest. So it is given all together, interest and deposits, no adjustment for that, 1,62,500. Then schedule 6, operating expenses, payment to and provision for employees like 90,000. Rent, taxes and lighting 6,000. No item has adjustment. Printing and stationery 3,000. Depreciation banks property 3,750. Auditors fees and expenses including branch auditors fees and expenses 7,500. 7,500. Yes, 7,500. Postage, telegram, telephones 1,250. Other expenses 1,000. These are all expenses given in the trial balance. The audit fees, the fees, other expense, postage, printing, rentals, all these. So total of schedule 16, 1,13,250. Then provisions and contingency. After all schedules, but no schedule number. Provision for doubtful debts 3,750. 3,750 in the adjustment. And provision taxation 50% before that you have to calculate now. See on this income 2000 profit. Yes. Mitigation of profit before tax. Is confirm. So now a statement of profit and loss or profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2021. Income earned, let's say total income, that is 13 and 14. Total 3,76,250. Expenditure 3 and provisions and taxes. It is actually 15,000 tax provision for taxation given. It's not the calculation thing. You are in the adjustment. 15,000, so 18,750 provisions. Both are from adjustment, you see, these two. So total of expenditure including provisions and contingency 2,94,500. Net profit for the year, difference between these two. So it is 81,750 and profit of last year, very last item 60,000. So 1,41,750. The profit developed for appropriation means distribution. Appropriation transfer to reserve 20%. That is must 20%. Charge 25, otherwise 20%. Or sometimes they give some other percent. But it is must 16,350 of the current year, 81,750 into 20%. Then proposed dividend, last adjustment 10% on 2,50,000. Balance to be carried, the balance left after this 10,000, 1,04,000. That must come in the balance sheet. It is not asked to prepare now in this problem. So next problem number 2. Again, following particulars prepare profit and loss account of General Bank Limited for the year ending 31st March 2016. See, profit and loss account, General Bank. Interest on loan 34,90,000. Office expenses 50,50,000. Interest on fixed deposits 36,500. Interest on overdrafts 12,500. Rent and taxes 1,80,000. It's 12,80,000. Then commission charge to customer 94,000. Rebate and bills discount beginning 4,80,000. Discount bills discounted 19,40,000. Interest on cash credit 22,40,000. Amount charged against current accounts 1,20,000. Director's remuneration 42,000. Interest on SB account 9,60,000. Sorry, 6,90,000. Postal expense 15,000. Printing stationery 39,000. Other expenses 18,000. Adjustments, rebate and bills discounted 5,20,000. Provision for taxes 50% of the profit. So General Bank, first we shall discuss schedules. Schedule 13, interest earned, 14, other income. Interest on loans, you see all interest, that's a loan, cash credit, overdraft, all these are the income. That is interest on loan 34,90,000, interest cash credit 22,40,000, interest on overdraft 12,80,000, total 7,10,000. Bills discounted, so interest and discount, two items here, 9,40,000. Amount charged against current account 1,20,000. Then rebate on bills discounted, that's opening, that's add 25,40,000 minus closing 5,20,000. 5,20,000 given in the adjustment is 5,20,000. So net discount 20 lakh 20,000, total 9 lakh 90 lakh 30,000, that is income earned, interest earned or income earned. Then other income, commission brokerage 94,000, only one item. Schedule 15 interest expended, that is whatever bank pays interest on customers deposit. Here fixed deposit and savings bank account, total 43 lakh 40,000. Then schedule 16 operating expenses, payment to and provisions for employees 42,000, rent tax lighting 1 lakh 80,000, printing and stationery 39,000, auditors fees and expenses including branch audit fees and expense 15 lakh 50,000, 15 lakh 50,000, yes, office expenses. Then postage telegram telephones 15,000, other expense 18,000, 18 lakh 44,000. Provision contingency, provision for taxation 50% of profit before tax, the difference that you have to consider. Profit before tax means you have to find the difference once. See here, 19 lakh 24,000 interest expended including contingency, you have to find the difference, then you will get a difference before profit before tax 39 49 29 lakh 40,000, it's 50,000, 14 lakh 70,000, and go back and add that to provisions and deduct. So interest earned in profit loss account, heading General Bank Limited, profit loss account for the year ending 31st March exchange. Interest earned 13, schedule 13 90 lakh 30,000, other income 14 94, total 91 24, 91 lakh 24,000. Expenditure interest earned 15, schedule 43 lakh 40,000, operating expense 18 lakh 44,000. Contingent provisions, no only that provisions of taxation 14 lakh 70,000, total 76 lakh 54,000. So when you differentiate, you will get 14 lakh 70,000, because profit before tax 50% is tax. You need to calculate again 14 lakh 70,000. Profit bought from last year nothing, so 14 lakh 70,000 itself is appropriation. Transfer to statutory reserve, it is mandatory 20%, 2 lakh 94,000. Balance carried over to balance sheet 11 lakh 70, different. But here no question of preparing balance sheet. This is all about this session. In this session we had two problems for preparing profit and loss account.